Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and make sure you check out my Patreon page where you can follow along with my stock and option portfolio and see what I'm trading in there for swing trades and longer term trades. But as always, let's jump right into it. So today we're going to talk about Nadex. If you don't know what Nadex is, they are a legal US NFT their exchange, right, for binary options. What's really cool about these is you don't need to follow the SEC rules, so you could day trade all you want, and you can put as little as make trades as little as $50, right? Even smaller than that. Whatever your max loss is your total margin required, right? So you could put trades on for $50, $20 and make 80 and things like that. So it's really, really cool. I have other videos that you could watch on it, but if you want to try out Nadex, I will leave a link down below. It's an affiliate link, so you could sign up under me, where I'll make a couple dollars, just full transparency on it. So also, I am in my demo account, so we're going to place a couple live trades. These are not trade recommendations. This is all educational and all that. So let's jump right into it of what this is, okay? So we have what are called knockouts, okay, with a Nadex. I'm going to go into indices. Okay, and they are weekly trades. And the way they work, and let's just select this one right here. Okay, essentially what this is telling us is this is the US 500 S&P futures, right? We have the indicative price, which is the current futures of the ESs, which are at 38.98 as I'm doing this video. We have a range of 38.77 to 39.27. So these are good for the entire week or until one of these edges gets touched. That's all they are, right? So if you're bullish, you could get long here, and we'll click on buy. And essentially our risk, okay, is $233. If we're wrong and it comes here, our max profit would be $267. Now, what's really cool with Nadex is you can buy and sell these whenever you want. Think of this as you're trading 100 shares of SPY. That's essentially what this is broken down to, right? So every $1 move from 39 to 39.01 would be $10 profit, right? Just like if you trade 100 shares of SPY, okay? It's the same essential type of move. And so what you could do is get long here if you're bullish, and if it rallies to 39.10, you could take your profits, make $100 and walk away. The other really cool thing with Nadex is you're taxed like futures, right? So at the end of the year, you get one bill or one tax piece of paper. You either made money or lost money, and that's what you declare. And you also get tax breaks. It's the 60-40 long-term, short-term capital gains. Talk to your accountant for more information on that. But that's really cool because you could day trade these and actually get taxed part of it as long-term capital gains at a lower tax rate. So what the strategy is we're going to get long, okay? I'm kind of bullish on this market right now. So we're going to place an order, okay, and get long, okay, one contract, okay? And if we look right down here, okay, we see the order still hasn't been filled yet because it looks like price rally. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to amend this order, okay, to exactly what price is. Let's get filled. Boom. Okay, so now we're long. Okay, we're long, and we know what our risk is. We know what our loss could be. what we're going to do with this is we're going to hedge this portfolio. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over into the binary options now. We're going to go into indices, the US 500, and we're going to select the weeklies. Okay, and we know we're right around that 3,900. So I'm going to come over and look at the 3,900 binaries. Okay, remember, we're long bias. We want something to hedge in case we are dead wrong on this position. So what we're going to do is, will the US 500 finish higher than 3,900? Yes or no? We're going to say no. Okay, because now if price reverses and goes lower while we're losing money here, we will be making money here. Okay, it's kind of a hedge that we're looking for. So what we're going to do is we're going to sell this right now. One contract, we see max loss is 52, max profit is 48. We're going to place the order. Now, one of the cool things is, and remember, we did this both for the weekly with the other. Now, if we rally all the way up to, we'll say this 39.27, right? That's what this contract was at, right? The knockout, we would end up making about $260, but we will lose $52 because we'll be way out of the money on this, right? Because we said, no, it will not close higher than 3,900. Okay, so we'll lose 52, but we'll make money on, we'll make 260 some odd dollars. Now, if price goes lower, we're going to make money here because this option's going to get worth more and more. Okay, where we're going to make money because it's going in our direction, right? Essentially, we're saying we want to be short the market here. So as the market goes lower, we're going to make money. Okay, with that being said, is if it comes down and let's say we get stopped out at that the 38.77 level, that was where we would take a $230 loss. Well, we lose 230 on the big contract, but we gain 48, so our loss is not as bad. Now, where the home run comes, and this is, you don't need to do weeklies, you could do dailies too, is let's say we go up, we go down, let's say we put this trade on back here, okay, and maybe instead of doing the weekly, we just do a daily, the one that expires at the end of the day, or we're doing this after hours, so maybe tomorrow, right? Let's say we put this trade on here, goes up, goes down. We're right here. This contract's gonna, and let's say we close here at 38.93. Okay, yeah, we lost some money, but this option, this binary, actually we're correct on it. We make $48, and so it's kind of like we collected premium like with regular options. We're like, okay, hey, we're down a little bit here, price really never went anywhere, we locked in $48 of profit. Okay, let's say close right here at 38.93. Okay, we're down $70 on our bigger contract, but we've locked in $48, and guess what? We go out for the next day and redo that again. So it's a way of kind of, think of it as selling covered calls in a way, right? To where you collect premium, and if you're right, you kind of make money, but you're capped out at how much. So I hope that helps. Play around with it. Again, I'm going to leave a link down below for Nadex. So if you want to sign up, you could sign up with my affiliate link and try out Nadex. But as always, thank you for watching my videos. I hope this has helped you. I know it's a little confusing, but once you watch this video a couple times, play around with Nadex and see how it works, I think you'll see the value in it. So as always, we'll talk to you soon. And until next time, see ya.